Justin Bakal sa Wadya. For sure, napun-ala na to og science as you are watching this video. You are the one thing na wagid na ko gi-expect nga maabot sa akong kinabuhi. Cheesy man ba minahon, pero tinuod ni siya. I am very thankful sa gibuhat nimo para sa kuha o sa ato ang relasyon. You are the most selfless, loving, caring, humble and resilient nga person nga akong nakaila. Wala aran ako apila ang gwapa because silence means yes.
First, thank you so much for putting so much effort in our relationship and for your sacrifices to make this wedding happen. Next week, dili na ko mag-itlog. I know it's not easy to have 2 jobs, but kaya mo for me and for our wedding. And thank you so much for your hard work. As I write this message, I have been thinking about what we have been through to get here. It has not been easy, but we've handled all the challenges that we have encountered, and it made us who we are now.
Hi, Justin! Congratulations! Long live! And yeah, congrats, and I'm so happy for you and Vince, and kayo magpapatunay na may forever. Huwag na tayo sa Katniel. Justin times Vince forever. Well,
Justin, mianhibay ka sa imong kaugalingon o kabubuton aron pagbugkos sa imong kaugalingon din sa paghigugma o pag-alagad sa imong bana. Ikaw, Vince, mianhibay ka sa imong kabubuton aron pagbugkos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon din sa paghigugma o pag-alagad sa imong asawa.
What a wonderful way to spend a moment or two.
Being someone whose personality and attitude towards life kay happy-go-lucky ra, ikaw ang nagpa-realize na ako kadili dapat permihon ang ingon anak ka ideal sa kinabuhi. You helped me grow, not just in weight, but also as a person. You were there when I cannot express my sadness even with other people around me. You were there not only when I was in need, but also when I have no one else to call. And the best thing that you ever did, not only to me, but to my family as well, was to take care of my father. Gikan kag eskwelahan, diretso ka sa ospital para mupuli og bantay ni tatay sa una. Your sacrifices are too many to mention. Pero again, mapasalamaton kayo ko nimo sa atong relasyon. Pasalamaton sad ko nga gihatag ka diri nako.
Gentle touch of the hand, fingers running through hair, lips pressed to her lips, so I was caught unaware, arms holding me tight.
I wish your tatay is still around to witness your special day, and I know wherever your tatay is right now, he is so proud of you. It will always create a lasting memory to me na 1 year nga imong gi-sacrifice to take care of your tatay. It was difficult for you. You wanted me out of your life because you don't want me to suffer too. But I told you that we will work it out, and I want to be there with you. That stage of our life has proved us that our love is strong and we can defeat any challenges. And it is so reassuring to know that I have someone who loves me with all his heart. I have a peace of mind every day because I have a great man taking care of my heart.
We're just meant to be.